What's good, happening? What's popping, my beautiful people? It's a boy, Shari, PRITD, the person in it that goes with my move into the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, do all of that good stuff, guys. Guys, we are almost on 400 subscribers. Let's get there. That's the goal by 16th December, 400 subscribers. I know you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. Yes, I am doing a story time on how I almost got pregnant. So how I almost got pregnant. Do you guys remember this vlog? Yeah, I know y'all remember that vlog. If you didn't watch that vlog, please go watch that vlog first and like it and then come and watch this video. So that day, 4th of October, 4th, yes, 4th of October, which was actually like last month. Um, that's the day I actually almost got pregnant. Let me explain this. First, let me start it from September. Yeah, September, I saw a poster that were like Zingamalo is coming to town. You all know Zingamalo, like you all know Zingamalo. They were like Zingamalo is coming to town. So I was like, why not? Let me be there. Let me vlog for my people. You get what I'm trying to say? But before the end of September, they told us they put another post and then they were like, it's postponed. Zumalo can't come because of certain issues about because of she's fully booked for that day, things like that. Okay, cool, fine. And then they were like, the event is still on. So I was like, okay, cool, fine. I've been seeing on TikTok because you guys saw that on TikTok it was trending like everyone is gonna go out on the 4th of October. 4th of October, everyone was spamming 4th of October, we are out. 4th of October, the only people that should be at home 4th of October is the matrix. The rest of us we are out. You get what I'm trying to say? So I was like, I can't miss this. Let me get going. Let me go. Okay, cool. 4th of October came. That day I took a bath around about 6 o'clock, right? 6 o'clock, I took 6 o'clock in the afternoon. 6 o'clock, I took a bath. I finished at 8 o'clock. And I went there, met up with my boys. I got there, bought the ticket, bought my six pack, met up with the boys. We didn't eat. This is what actually went wrong. We didn't eat. We didn't eat. This is what actually we didn't eat, guys. Like, I'll teach you guys something. Do not drink alcohol without eating. You get what I'm trying to say? You must first eat. You get what I'm trying to say? You must first eat, guys. Before you drink alcohol, you must first eat and then drink. Because if you don't eat and then you drink alcohol, bro, there are gonna be consequences. I promise you. Okay, cool. We drank. It was 1 o'clock. It was 1 o'clock in the morning. We were still drinking. I think my phone went flat like I think like 12:30. That's when my phone actually went flat. Cause like we went to 3 locations, guys. We went to three. Listen. We went to 3 locations. Not even three. Not even 3 locations. The way the 4th of October was crazy. We didn't even go to 3 locations. Cause I first remember I went to the Cause like I remember we went to the first location about it was 8 o'clock. I went to the first location and then I texted the boss like, "Boss, where are you?" And then there was this one that was like, "I'm still bathing." What do you mean still bathing at 8 o'clock? At 8 o'clock you are still bathing at 8 o'clock in the night. Then they were like, "I'm still bathing." And I was like, "Okay, cool. Listen, we'll meet at this place." And then cool fine. They took around about 45 minutes, and I was busy scanning that place, and it was actually boring that time. Yeah, but and our favorite DJ was like not performing that time. He was not on stage. You know what I'm trying to say? So they got there, they bought their tickets, we went out. Yeah, but to a second location to go check the vibe. When we got to the second location, um when we were on our way going there, our boy was on our way like coming. Yeah, but he like how can I say this? He just went out of that location. You get me? And then Tina, we were like, boy, you just went out of then he was like, yeah, I just went out of there. Then we were like, how much is the ticket? Yeah, but and then he said, nah, I didn't pay. Then we're like, what do you mean you didn't pay? And then he said, listen, just go inside. Don't go inside this gate. Go inside that gate and then come outside this gate. They will give you a stamp. Yeah, but and then we did the same thing. We We didn't actually pay for the entry. We just entered. You get what I'm saying? And that actually saved us money. We went there in, we checked the coast. It was like cool vibes, nice vibes, but we are actually scared of that place because a lot of people actually die in that place. You get what I'm trying to say? And then I was like to my boys, now I don't feel safe here. Let's just go to another place because you might get, because if you don't get shot there, you might get stabbed or something. Fine, cool. We went out. As we went out, our boys were like, yeah, okay, sharp call. We do have, what do you call this? We do have ciders, and we didn't have ice. We do have ciders, we do have a glass, but like we need a bottle. Yeah, boy. We need a bottle. Then my boy was like, okay, listen, let's go to my house. Like I have a bottle there in my house. We went to his house, sharp fetched that bottle. We came back. When we came back, I was like, listen, I have money, we can buy a bottle. We went to the other location. We bought a bottle. We came back. We had like 3 bottles. We had Ivorga, 3 ships, and Russian beer. You see that bottle. You see this bottle. It will kill you. Sharp, cool. And then our money now was finished. Yabo. But I saw my aunt there. Yabo. When I saw my aunt, my aunt actually knew that I was going there, but actually she doesn't know that I drink. So I had to act sober because we already drank, yabo. But we didn't drink. But we already drank. I was like tipsy. Then I was like to my aunt, can you please give me money for chips? Yabo. And then she gave me money. That money I took it. We bought Dash Sharp. We went to our first location, the location I was at first. We went there. We drank. We drank. Mind you, we didn't eat. We drank. Cool, fine. Hey, now it was around about 12 o'clock. Now it's starting to rain. Now my boys are like, nah, this place doesn't have a shelter. Let's go to the second location. We went to second location. There's a shelter there. We drank. We drank. Now my boys like, nah, I'm hungry. Let's buy food. Yeah, boom. Okay. When we go to that place to buy, mind you, the shops actually closed at 12. They closed at 12. So when we went there to go knock to actually buy food at my friend, other my friends actually sell chips, like slab chips, to get what I'm charging. When we went there to buy chips, yabo, my friends now were closed, yabo, and my boy actually wanted to fight. I had to be there, bro. Save it, bro. I'm short, bro. Those niggas are tall. I had to be there. Save. I'm be like, bro, don't fight, cause if he fights and he dies, I'm gonna run away, bro. And when the police come to me and be like, were you with this child? No, I don't know that child. That's actually my first time seeing that child. Me standing in the court, I will never. If you're my friend and you die in front of me, I will never testify in court and say like, yes, I witnessed something. I will never. Me, I saw to put my life in danger. No. So I stopped him, yeah, because he wanted to fight. I stopped him. Okay, then the fight stopped. After the fight stopped, we went to first location. On our way going to first location, we are walking. Cola box is still full. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock a.m. Cola box is still full. We are walking, going to the second location. We are walking. As we are walking, we are like, there's one broella missing. Where is this bro? Where is he, bro? When we look and we ask people, didn't you see this person? They're like, no, we didn't see this person. Now we are worried. Where did he get lost? Now my broella is like, nah, maybe he got lost with the mummies. I'm like, how can he get lost with the mummies? This broella is gay. Maybe he got lost with the mans, bro. Then you're like, okay, sharp, cool. It's fine, no problem. We're gonna see that problem this afternoon, because like it was the next day. You got what I'm trying to say? We're gonna look for him when we are sober and sharp and we are cool. I was like, okay, cool, let's go to second location. We walked. Me, I'm not holding the cooler box. I wasn't holding the I was busy holding the bottles, because actually my friends are one of those people that they like to give people free alcohol. One thing about me, yes, I do give people money just for free people food, but if it's alcohol, never. Alcohol, never. I saw there. Okay, cool, fine. Now we got to second location, we chilled there, got a table, we chilled there, they smoked happily. I don't smoke happily. I don't smoke happily. And that's one thing I'm proud of. I don't smoke happily. They smoked happily. They were like, bro, don't you want? I was like, I'm cool. I was busy drinking. Sharp. Now, one mistake we made is that it was 3 o'clock. One mistake we made is that my other boy was like, let's open this bottle. What bottle is that? It's Russian beer. Let's open this bottle. And then the other person like, nah, let's not open it, man. Let's open it this afternoon. I was like, nah, this afternoon, nah. Mind you, it's a Sunday now. Like, it's the next day. Like, like it was a Saturday. Now it's the next day. We are still at Groove. Like, it's still like dark. But like, you get what I'm trying to say? I'm like, nah, bro, tomorrow, like, I have to go to church. Now my brother's like, are you mad? Nah, are you mad? Today is Sunday. What I'm trying to say, I was like, yo, I don't think I'll be able to go to church. Yeah, I was like, but no, bro, let's not open. Let's maybe open it next week when we go out next week. Yeah, but my brother's like, nah, let's open it today. He opened it, mind you, he opened it, and then the dash was finished. Then he was like, now we already opened it. Let's finish it. Yo, I drink it. Guys, I regret, and I will never, ever, ever again. If you see me again drinking Russian beer, kill me. Whether Russian beer has dash or no dash, if you see me drinking that bottle, kill me. I drank it, guys. I drank it. Like, I drank it raw. No, nah, not that raw you are thinking about. Uh-uh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I drank it raw. Without any dash, I drank it. Sharp, cool. I felt dizzy. Okay, I was already drunk, but like I felt more dizzy. I felt like now the place is like moving around. I was like, hey, what's going on? Sharp. Now it's still raining, cause now like it's not raining like drizzling. It's pouring. Like it's raining. But it's better. It wasn't that rain with thunderstorms. Cause like I would go home if there was thunderstorms. Bro, I'm scared. Cool. Oh, raining. Cool. Now the place was about to close because now it was 3:30. Now they were like, nah, the place is gonna close at 4 o'clock, but we wanna get everyone out so long. Now, please go out. Yay. I remember I got out and there was a chair there. I slept on that chair. And then my boy was like, hey boy, stand up, we have to go. I was like, hey, give me 5 minutes to sleep. Then he was like, okay, I'm gonna, like, how can I say this? I'm gonna stand here to watch you. I'm just gonna give you 5 minutes. And then he said 5 minutes on his phone. He was standing there. Mind you, I don't know where my phone is. I can't feel anything. All I'm feeling is that, bro, sleep. All my brain is telling me to do is sleep, bro, sleep. And I really slept. I slept. After that, I know nothing. After that, I'm waking up. I'm at home. I'm here in my room. I'm wearing a yellow t-shirt. I'm like, bro, what's going on? When I woke up, I was like, okay, cool. I just woke up and like it smells, bro. It smells out. I was like rushing bed. It smells like alcohol. It smelled so bad. You get what I'm trying to say? And I'm like, my first thing when I woke up was like, okay, it smells. My second thing was like my phone, my YouTube channel. I have to edit. I have to drop a video tomorrow. That's my mom knows. My YouTube channel comes first. Okay, cool. I woke up. I went to my mom's room because I felt like maybe my things are there. When I got there, I only found my bag there. I didn't find my phone. When I looked inside that bag that I had, there was my cap that I had, my necklace that I had. What else did I have? I don't know. I think there were coins there, and my phone was not there. I was like, I was like, what do you mean? My phone's not there. I came back to my room. I prayed. I was like, God, my YouTube channel. Okay, you can. I was like, I said the same words. I was like, God, you can delete everything in that phone, but leave my YouTube channel there. I have to edit. I have to drop a video. I have to continue doing this up until we get monetized. You get what I'm trying to say? Slept. When I slept, I woke up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It was still sunny. When I woke up, my mother just came back from work because that day she actually went to work early in the morning. Yeah, okay, fine. Then when my mom came back from work, I asked my aunt what actually happened. Then my aunt was like, "Hey, when let's tell you what. Let me tell you what happened." Yeah, cause like I wanna for that I wanna actually thank my aunt for what she did. Cause if it wasn't for her, like I would be dead by now. You get what I'm trying to say? Then my aunt was like, ah. Then my aunt was like, I went to the place that you were at to go buy biltong because that place sells the best biltong in town apparently. You get what I'm trying to say? So I was like, okay, cool. And then my aunt was like, I saw a group of people like do you know when someone like got hit by a car or something, then like that person's in the middle, then a group of people are surrounding you. You get what I'm trying to say? My aunt says she saw that, yeah, and then she was like, she saw that, and then she was like, let me go check what's going on there. You get what I'm trying to say? When she went to go check, it was me, yeah, and my boys were trying to like pick me up, and my aunt actually thought they were trying to rape me. You get what I'm trying to say? But my aunt says before she got there, something actually happened. I was like, what happened? Mind you, get guys, okay. I normally don't tell people about this because I don't like to talk about the specific topic that I'm going to talk about because I feel uncomfortable talking about this topic. But like, mind you, the last time I had my periods was like September, and that time it was October, and my periods usually start on the month end. You know what I'm trying to say? That time it was October, the beginning of October. I was like, eh. My aunt was like, something would have happened. I was like to my now I left to my aunt. I was like I left with my aunt. I went to the back back room. I went to the bathroom that's at the back because we have an inside bathroom and an outside bathroom. So I went there and I was like, what if? And I was like, what if they actually raped me? What if actually something happened to me? And then I downloaded this other app. I don't know what this app is called. I think it's called Clue or what, something like that. Cause I googled on YouTube how can you what is this? Don't on your periods, and I googled, and then it showed me that app. I went to that app. I told that app asked me when was the last time you had your periods. I told that app. Then that app was like, okay, what is the date today? I told it. The thing that actually made me go crazy, the thing that actually made me go insane was that short. I wish I actually took screenshots of that app to show you guys I'm not lying. That app was like, okay, there's 99.9% chance that you are pregnant. I was like, what do you mean I'm pregnant? I was like, explain, please. And that app was like, nah, you're giving birth on the 10th of July. I was like, 10th of July 2026. I was like, you crazy as hell. The same day I deleted that app. When I deleted that app, um, I prayed, bro. I was like, God, please don't do this to me. You know, my grandmother would die. Okay, I do care about my mom, but I really don't care about my mom. My grandmother would die if she would hear this. Like how will my family from Cape Town see me right now? You know what I'm trying to say? Because most of them see me as an example. Now, how are they gonna see me? You know what I'm trying to say? I prayed to God. I was like, God, please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. You get me? Sharp call. I went to my aunt. My aunt was like, I went to my aunt. Then my aunt was like, nah, so, um, so I heard, my aunt says this, I heard that you were working with a group of boys. I was like, yeah, I was working with a group of boys, but it was like, I think it was 5 boys and 4 girls, yeah, bro. And like the other 3 girls, they got lost out of the blue, and I was the only girl left, and I was there. You get me? But like my aunt says that I slept on the what is this? I slept on the chair, and and then those boys will hook me up. After that, 5 minutes, and then we walked just like 2 minutes. I fell down. After I fell down, I didn't wake up again. Yeah, it was like blackout. And then this other boy pulled up with his mother's car, and then threw me in to take me home because this boy actually knows my mother and things like that. Yeah, but and then as this boy was actually driving the car, I went out of the car. I'm asking myself, why would I do that? Am I actually stupid? And then that's when my aunt actually came, and this other guy that's busy that was renting in my house, this other guy was like, don't worry, I will take her home. Yeah, but then my aunt was busy walking behind this guy. Like I heard that this guy took me like this and took me home. I was like, bro, now the thing that actually drove me crazy is that the next day, which was a Monday, I went to church. As I go to church, this other boy came to me, and this other boy was like, "Hey, my friend wants your number." His friend, which is the person that I went out with, yeah, but my friend wants your number. I was like, now my thoughts are like, okay, he wants your number because he wants to tell you that maybe he had with you, dun, and he doesn't regret it. Because one thing about me, I don't trust guys, bro. Even my own brother, I don't trust guys. The first person that broke my trust is my dad, so I don't trust guys anymore. The only guy that I trust is my grandfather, which is he passed away. RIP to you, which is he passed away. After him, I will never, and I will never trust guys. After him, I don't trust guys, and I will never trust guys after that. You know what I'm trying to say? So I was like, hey, why does your friend wants my number? And then he was like, I don't know, Galo, you two drink together. And then he laughed. I was like, maybe your friend told you what he did to me. Okay, cool. I gave him my number. He texted me the same day when I got home from church. It was at like around about 9 o'clock, He was like, hey, I was like, hey. He was like, I just wanted to tell you what happened on Sunday. I was like, bro, please get to the point. What happened on Sunday? Was there no sexual intercourse involved? He was like, no, I wouldn't do that. I was like, do you promise? I was like, swear on the Bible. Swear on the Bible that there were no sexual intercourses that happened. Because, and and then I was like, "Nah, if I'm pregnant, it's you. Yay. I told him, I was like, nah, if I'm pregnant, it's you, and you're gonna take responsibilities. You're gonna pay for the school fees, Alice, and then the baby's gonna stay by you. I told him, I told him, nah, I'm not gonna stop school because I have a baby. You're gonna take because when you impregnate me, you're gonna take the baby yourself. Then he was like, nah, bro, I didn't do that. I was like, you swear on the Bible. He was like, I swear on the Bible. I was like, okay, cool, we'll find out cause like it's been and then I told him it's been like 7 days now, me not having my periods. Maybe you did something. Then I was like, bro, I swear I didn't do something. Maybe it's your periods, they are what is this? They're changing because of stress. And I was like, yes, I have stress because when you're busy asking my numbers around to people as if like you did something to me. And then I was like, nah, I just wanted to check if you're safe. And I was like, okay, let's just wait a few more days. If I get my periods, I will apologize. Okay, cool. I was like, okay, sharp, cool. I got my periods the next day. I was like, thanks God. I was like, thanks God, because I also googled like what happens if you get your periods late, and then it said, nah, it's because of stress. And then the last option was like, it's you pregnant. Then the last option was basically like, if you miss your periods for the whole month, that means you are pregnant, yeah, bro. And then I didn't like, and then I realized, okay, sharp, I just missed it for a few days, which is actually a week. And I was like, okay, cool, I'm fine, bro. Like, guys, and I really like went back to him and apologized, but but you find out in the next video. you will find out in the next video how I almost got kidnapped. Yo.